Gayu, our Deputy National Director. So before I begin, I would just like to introduce, before I share what we do with Habitat in Philippines, what does home equals to you? What does home mean to you? Can I get a volunteer? Maybe, Cyrus is not behind me. Miss Mayette, can you shout out, what does home mean to you? Family. How about here? I'm looking at you, ma'am. What does home mean to you? How about there, a student, please? Can I have a volunteer? Okay, I hear life. So home means different things to a lot of people. To me, home means dreams coming true. But for others, it can mean chaos, it can mean flooding, it can mean a lot of different things. In Habitat, we are at the forefront of providing safe and decent homes for everyone. We are a global mission present in 70 different countries, and in the Philippines, we just celebrated our 36th anniversary. We have mobilized over 5 million volunteers, providing safe and affordable homes to 220 families all over the Philippines. We don't just stop there. We build health centers. We provide community and capacity development, leadership trainings. We build multi-purpose centers and daycare centers. We are united in showing God's love into action. So as you can see today, we don't just build homes and we don't just stop here. Through projects like these, we bring forth our RISE strategy, the RISE Community Strategy. We build resilient infrastructures to support inclusive programs by using sustainable and innovative methods to empower our homeowners and young learners to become leaders of our society. So I'm so excited today for our students to be able to have this state-of-the-art facility, to be able to access these technologies and advanced educational lessons. So I'm sure our teachers are also excited to share this experience. Today, on behalf of our Board of Trustees, our Chair, Ms. Monique Lopez, our Deputy National Director, and our Homeowners Association leaders, I'd like to thank our partner and incredibly generous donor, EdgePoint, for choosing Habitat Philippines, for choosing these students, for helping us bring back the principle of decency and dignity to these communities. So we wish to thank the school, Dr. Doris and Principal Maribel, DepEd, ASEC Philip, and the DICT, the Mayor and Barangay San Isidro for your full support. So when we combine synergies, we can make meaningful, innovative, and game-changing partnerships like this one. So let me end with a quote. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much, by Helen Keller. Thank you so much.